Bonjour mes amis, je suis Radhika Bansal, j'espère que vous allez bien. Friends, today we are going to learn how do we ask questions using when. When in French is known as quand. Remember, it is not quand, it is quand. So here are a couple of questions which we are going to discuss. The first is, when does the show start? When does the show start? How do we ask this question in several ways? First is, quand commence le spectacle? Spectacle is show. Quand commence le spectacle? Verb will always come first. Quand commence le spectacle? The other way of asking is, quand est-ce que le spectacle commence? Quand est-ce que le spectacle commence? The third way of asking this question is, il commence quand le spectacle? Il commence quand le spectacle? Over here, il is representing le spectacle, this show. So, il commence quand le spectacle? The other way of asking this is, le spectacle, il commence quand? Le spectacle, il commence quand? Quand can be used in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. The last way of asking this question is, le spectacle commence quand? Le spectacle commence quand? The other example is, when is she arriving at the station? When is she arriving at the station? The questions are, quand arrive-t-elle à la gare? Quand arrive-t-elle à la gare? Between two vowels, we use T as a liaison. So, quand arrive-t-elle à la gare? The other way of asking this is, quand est-ce qu'elle arrive à la gare? Quand est-ce qu'elle arrive à la gare? So, we have used est over here. The last way of asking is, quand arrive, elle arrive quand à la gare? Elle arrive quand à la gare? So these are the several questions using quand, which is when. I hope you like this session and this is useful. You'll use all of these while using this language. Au revoir, bisous bisous.